This is for all the moms out there who kind of lost themselves somewhere in between diaper changes and sleepless nights. Hi, I'm Mama Misty. I've got an 8-year-old daughter, a 4-year-old who's turning 5 soon, a baby boy who's hitting 6 months. That's 8 years of motherhood and 8 years of putting myself last. Every time I try to do something for myself, I stop because someone else needs something first. Every time I want to buy something for myself, I end up buying something else, like a toy or cute clothes for my kids. But I love my kids, don't get me wrong ha. I love my kids so much. It's just that somewhere in all that, I forgot myself. I disappeared. When you look yourself in the mirror, hindi mo nagugustuhan yung nakikita mo. Hindi mo makita yung ikaw. Feeling ko na-confiscate yung glow ko. Alam mo yung feeling na parang, bakit mukha akong pagod kahit kakagising ko lang? Nakakapangit ng pakiramdam. So one day, sabi ko, I'm done waiting for my glow to magically reappear. I want to take it back. So I did my brows. I haven't done my brows since, I don't know, I can't remember, last year. And then my hair, I chopped off the ends of my hair kasi feeling ko super dry na. I try to style it as much as I can kahit nasa bahay lang ako. And of course, my skin, we're healing, okay, we're healing. Pero hindi naman kasi agad-agad makakabawi. Dahan-dahan lang. But at least we're doing something about it, di ba? I'm not trying to look perfect. I'm not trying to be pretty. Gusto ko lang ma-feel na present ako, existing ako. So sa lahat ng mami dyan na feeling lost like me, I think you should do something for yourself too. Motherhood changed us all. Alam natin yan. And I cannot promise na mababalik natin yung dati nating glow. But we can find a new one naman, di ba? Gawa tayo ng bago nating version. Let's glow back. Yung kahit slowly, pero surely. Yun lang. Bye!